Guys, someone invited me to this jet for a sleepover. This private jet is so cool. Whoa.
Oh, it's
Hi,
Gold
Gold
X.
X. Welcome to my jet.
Okay, is that everyone?
I think.
I love it here.
Hey, the jet is about to start.
Oh, what's up?
It's you, the flight attendant from earlier.
Yes, it's me.
Hello, Jacqueline.
Welcome aboard.
Great movie. This is
It's
the
actually a
cabin.
TV show.
Oh, okay. Hey, you two share.
Thank you, kind sir.
Thanks for the cake.
Hello.
Oh, hide. Yo, what are you watching?
Cartoons.
What is he
It
looking
was
for?
so cool I went on a ride and it was so amazing.
Yeah. Did you try the German pancakes besides the blue dive ride?
Yeah,
It's so
it
good.
tastes like heaven.
I know, right?
I want to go to the couch by.
Bye. Wanna play chess Gold X?
Sure. Let's play. You won. GG.
GG, bro.
I'm so sleepy.
It's nice being here with our friends.
I need more soda.
Dude, can't you believe him? He drank 25 cans of soda.
Wow, that's crazy.
I know, right? He needs to stop.
Yeah, it's not healthy. True. That's weird.
Gold X, you good. There's nothing there, you're probably hallucinating.
Hi, Gold X.
I want 3 chocolate, please.
Certainly. Hey, you're okay, sir.
Yes. I just need to chocolate.
Take it.
Excuse me, can I sleep? I don't feel well. Oh, of course.